Photos and videos of Ukrainian soldiers using a British-made Martlet missile to destroy a Russian drone have been posted on social media. Footage posted on several social media channels affiliated with the Ukrainian military shows a soldier firing a missile, followed by cheering of his comrades as an explosion is heard in the background. Indications are that the drone was Orion. As per the video description, the soldiers belonged to the 95th Air Assault Brigade. While the weapon system has been identified as the Starstreak by some, numerous open-source intelligence sources pointed out that it was a Martlet missile, which uses the same launch tube as the Starstreak. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how Ukraine managed to down a Russian Orion drone with British-supplied Martlet. Let's get started. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. NordVPN is a premium VPN service available for macOS, iOS, Windows, and Android with more than 5,400 servers in 60 countries. But why use a VPN or virtual private network? VPN is an encrypted tunnel. A VPN can protect your privacy, which is threatened by many factors like data logging by internet service providers. It can also help you access contents which are blocked based on geolocation. Why NordVPN? Its servers are fast and has zero log policy. Not only this, NordVPN has taken one step further and recently introduced a new feature, threat protection. Threat protection prevents malware from getting on users' devices and blocks trackers, intrusive and malicious ads, and harmful websites. Use the link in the description to get up to 71% off the 2-year plan plus threat protection for no extra cost. At the checkout, use the code DEFENSE to get an extra month for free. By the 9th of April, during the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine, there was video confirmation of Orion performing 6 successful kills on Ukrainian vehicles. So it's been a threat to the Ukrainian forces. This hit was the first confirmed loss of an Orion unmanned aircraft system in the war. Orion is touted to be Russian analogous to the legendary US-made Predator unmanned combat system. Martlet's appearance indicates that the variety of weapons being sent by European countries to Ukraine is bigger than initially reported. In mid-March 2022, the United Kingdom Defense Secretary, Ben Wallace, announced that the UK will supply Ukraine with Starstreak manpads, with the first systems reportedly reaching Ukraine by the end of the month. On April 2nd, video emerged on social media showing Starstreak shooting down a Russian Mi-28 attack helicopter. However, it has not been announced that in addition to the sophisticated Starstreak, the UK has also sent the Martlet. The Kronstadt Orion is a family of Russian unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV, developed by the Kronstadt Group. There are several variants of the drone, both for Russia's domestic and export markets. Kronstadt began development of Orion in 2011 as part of the Russian MOD-funded Innokodets program. On the 24th of August 2021, it was reported that Russian MOD and Kronstadt signed a deal for the procurement of 5 combat groups of an upgraded version of Orion known as Sirius. The Orion is a medium-altitude, long-duration, unmanned aerial system with a maximum takeoff weight of 1 ton and a maximum payload weight of 200 kilograms or 440 pounds. The drone has a service ceiling of 7.5 kilometers or 4.5 miles, and its flight endurance is 24 hours with the standard payload. It can develop a speed of up to 200 kilometers per hour or around 125 miles per hour. The Orion has a turret with electro-optical and infrared cameras, as well as a laser target designator for delivering guided munitions against ground targets. The drone may carry out visual, radar, or radio technical reconnaissance while patrolling a specific area for an extended period of time. The Orion can operate up to 24 hours. The drone's arsenal includes the KAB-20 and KAB-50 adjustable aerial bombs, the UPAB-50 guided gliding aerial bomb, and the X-50 guided missile. Interestingly, it has air-to-air strike capabilities. The Orion drone has been seen to be launching a new air-launched version of the 9M113 Cornet anti-tank guided missile, ATGM, against a helicopter drone during testing. Major General Alexander Novikov, the head of the Russian General Staff's Office for UAV Development, said that the Orion drone is capable of eliminating the Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 and other UAVs. Martlet is a lightweight air-to-surface, surface-to-air, and surface-to-surface missile developed by Thales Air Defense for the United Kingdom. It's developed as the Lightweight Multi-Role Missile (LMM) to meet the UK's future air-to-surface guided weapon light requirement. The missile was given the name Martlet in British service. It was designed to be launched from a variety of naval, air, and land platforms against a wide range of targets. The missile's high precision reduces collateral damage and makes the missile suitable for asymmetric, littoral operations. Development began in 2008, and the LMM uses technology from the Starstreak. Martlet uses a dual targeting system, utilizing both laser guidance and infrared homing, and has an operational range of 8 kilometers or 5 miles. The Martlet has been adopted into service by the UK military in 2021. The dual-mode homing capability is key to Martlet's success against Orion. It's evident that Russia has underestimated the will of the Ukrainian people to fight and defend their land. Russia is now throwing in its newest platforms in order to gain the initiative. Drones are playing a significant role in the Ukraine-Russia conflict. It's likely that Russia will step up drone operations, given the fact that it has suffered significant human resource losses, including fighter and helicopter pilots. It's paramount that Ukraine is able to hold its own, not only when it comes to the use of drones for offense, but also in counter-drone operations. In this situation, Martlet will be a key asset. While fighter jets, tanks, and advanced air defense systems need well-trained personnel to operate, weapons like Martlet can be used with limited training and hence could be very useful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.